So if I've 4 users on a session host, they're using like 10% of the CPU, but they may be using like 90% of the memory. That means I can only fit a maximum of 4 users onto that session host. All right. Now, if I then switch that VM over to a E series, okay, I go from 4 CPU, but I've got double the memory, so then I may be able to fit maybe 8 users or 6 users onto that session host. Okay, so the cost will be just a little bit more, maybe 20% higher, but it means I can actually fit double the number of users onto the session host, and therefore that's going to massively reduce the cost of my VMs.